guys, thank you for watching on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft pusher elevator in Factory.io. It's just made out of a lot of pushers that just pushes the box onto the next pusher, and that will make the box go up. So how does it work? And for that I'm going to open Control.io. It's part of the software from Factory.io, and it's pretty easy to program a factory like this. So here it is, and first of all I have the conveyor belt that's right here. And it's always turned on, so it's pretty easy. We can just use a bool and we can turn it off. So now it's off, and we can turn it on. When these sensors are on, it will set a set reset, and it will let the pusher know that there's a box, and it will push the box onto the other pusher. It will let the other pusher know that there's a box, and so on. And that's how it works. So here you see it, the front limit of each pusher will let the next one know that it can push. And that way it will just go on like forever on how many pushers you will put there. So if you want to see how to make one of these from scratch, just let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos to come.